Hey there digital friends, welcome back to Digital Visions, and in this video you are going to see about the new update that is recently released for the Nothing Phone 1. The version number of this update is 1.1.4. So let us go to settings, system updates, and as you can see this is the new update that they have released. So as you can see this update includes some of the camera improvements, bug fixes, and they have also said that they have added some new features. So now let me download and install it, and after that I will show you what are the changes they have made and what are the bug fixes that they have done and if any new kind of bugs are present or not. In the meanwhile, Flipkart revealed that you can purchase a Nothing Phone 1 at the sale price from 20th September 12 pm. So finally the update downloaded and it started installing, and I am speeding up this part also. And in the changelog they mentioned that they have updated the new update animation. As you can see, this is that animation. So finally the update is completed, and now the Nothing Phone 1 is running on the new update that is 1.1.4 update. And after installing the update I got the new notification regarding the data collection etc, and I have turned it off. Now let's see what changes they have made one by one. So currently as you can see I am on Nothing OS 1.1.4 and it's currently running on September security patch. So the first new feature they added is to flip the 3-button navigation. So earlier if you go to the gestures and system navigation, if you see there is only one option of 3-button navigation and there is no option to change that. And as you can see this is after the update they have enabled the setting option over here, and after that we can choose on two of the options where we can flip the 3-button navigation bar. Now after this the second new feature is about the Year 1 app. So now the Year 1 app features are now integrated into the OS directly, so that there is no need to install the app separately. As you can see, we can see all the features of the Nothing earbuds inside the Bluetooth settings, and as you can see from here only we can directly toggle on and off the noise cancellation, equalizer, and even we can set the gestures of the Nothing earbuds. So this is a good thing that they are doing so that we can use the Nothing products directly and quickly with the phone by using the ecosystem that they have built right now. So now coming to the next feature that they have added, let us go to developer settings, and as you can see, if you see the amount of codecs present in the Nothing OS before, as you can see there is no LHDC support, but with this new update they have added the LHDC high def audio codec. As you can see, we can see the options over here. Now coming to the camera update, the first thing they have added is the watermark feature. As you can see earlier it was not present in the camera settings, and now if you go into the watermark settings we can enable the watermark here and also the time watermark under the photo. So the next thing they mentioned is regarding the ultrawide camera, where they improved the color consistency between the ultrawide and main cameras and also the color calibration in the ultrawide camera. So if you see the two photos, the left one is after the update, and as you can see if you compare it with the before update the colors are improved, but still the color shift between both the lenses is present. The shooting speed when using the HDR in ultrawide mode is also increased. So coming to the system improvements, and I can say that the thermal performance is increased, and also they said that they improved the face unlock algorithm, and after using I can say that the face unlock also has been improved. As you can see here I am unlocking the phone very quickly. They also mentioned that they have fixed the network issues and calling issues, so that's good. So now let's talk about the two major bugs that I have noticed in this update. So if you see my screen refresh rate, it's on 120Hz, but as soon as I open the Pokemon Go game it's changed to 60Hz. So earlier it used to be 120Hz, but with this update it's reduced. So again, if you are using Chrome for browsing it's good, but if you are using any kind of third-party launchers like the Opera Mini etc, as you can see the refresh rate is dropping to 60Hz. So there is some bug in this update where if you are using third-party apps and even in some games it's dropping to 60Hz instead of the 120Hz. So the next bug is regarding the color temperature of the screen. If you go to settings display, as you can see now I am changing the color temperature to cooler side. So let us lock and unlock the screen now. So as you can see if I go back to colors again it's reverted back to the previous one. So let me change again. So now lock and unlock the phone again, and as you can see after I unlocked and go into the colors it's again reverted back to the default setting. So these are the new major bugs that are present currently. So I use the phone with the latest update for 1 day, and I can say that the battery life is improved and the idle drain is reduced slightly, and even the phone feels like a little bit smooth now. but the new bugs came and let's see how much time they will take to fix them. The update seems to be good with improved battery life, camera, and rectifying the fingerprint and face unlock issues which are present earlier in the Nothing Phone 1. So that's all for the video guys. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe.